Hello everyone, welcome to Wise Courses YouTube channel and I welcome you all to current updates. So in this video we are going to discuss about maybe Digital 3.0. So we are going to discuss about this particular program. So before going into details, I would remind you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment with your feedback and share it with your friends. With this note, let's start the video. If you see, this is the news that I have took it from PIB. Okay, maybe Digital 3.0 campaign aimed at digital onboarding of street vendors who are provided loans under the PM Swanidhi scheme. So what is this PM Swanidhi scheme is all about? Okay, PM Swanidhi scheme is the scheme which is started like launched on June 1st 2020 and loan application started on July 2nd 2020. So this is the PM Streets Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme under the PM Swanidhi. So Atmanirbhar Bharat is a scheme which was launched in order to tackle the problems related to the street vendors and all during the COVID-19 pandemic. So as a part of it, PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi, that is PM Swanidhi, was launched on June 1st 2020. So it is for the special microcredit facility for the street vendors. It is a central sector scheme which is facilitating street vendors to have access to affordable working capital loan, and vendors can avail loan up to the rupees 10,000, and it is targeted to cover over 50 lakh street vendors as part of this scheme. Okay, so this is about the PM Swanidhi. So if you see more about it, it was launched on the June 1st 2020 as a central sector scheme. It will facilitate the working capital loan of up to 10,000 with an interest subsidy. So there will be an interest subsidy. It means, for example, if you are taking the loan at 10%, so there will be 7% subsidy. It means you have to pay only for the 3%. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, this is the interest subsidy of 7% on the regular repayment. So if the payment is done on time, then it will be given. The street vendors are not required to have any collateral. Collateral is nothing but it's a proof. Like for example, if you are taking money from some bank, you will put some proof, right? Proof or something property as a collateral. So this is nothing but a collateral. So for this scheme, no collateral is required. This scheme is targeting to cover 50 lakh street vendors who had vending on or before March 24, 2020. Okay, the street vendors can also avail the loan of 20,000 or 50,000 in the second and the third tranches respectively on the timely repayment of the loan. For example, if the loan is taken, if it is paid on the time and if everything was going well, for the second time and for the third time also loan will be given. For the second time they will be giving the 20,000 loan. For the third time it will be 50,000 loan without any collateral at the 7% interest subsidy. Small Industrial Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI, will has been appointed as the implementation agency for this scheme. Okay, so why it is in the news now? Okay, maybe Digital 3, it is a special campaign as a part of this PM Swanidhi scheme for the digital onboarding and training for the street vendors. Okay, this will be giving the digital onboarding and the training to the street vendors who are working on the streets. So 24.6 lakh loans were 2,444 crores have been distributed to the street vendors. Out of 22.41 lakh to digitally onboarded vendors, 7.2 lakhs are digitally active. So what is this digital onboarding and training all about? So for example, if you are going out for eating something, if you are going out for eating golgappa or pani puri, what will happen if you forgot the change in your home? Like if you didn't bring any money, you have mobile, you have money in your mobile, like in your bank, you want to do a UPI payment, but there is no availability of UPI in the street vendors, right? You may have faced this situation. So now what is happening is these street vendors will be having some digital onboarding and training. So as a part of this scheme, they will have some training for this. So now you can pay through the UPI account only. Okay, maybe Digital 3.0, it is the under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in collaboration with the Ministry of Electronics and Information. Okay, Housing and the Urban Affairs Ministry and Electronics and Information Technology has launched this campaign under this PM Swanidhi. So it is a special campaign for the digital onboarding and training of the street vendors under the PM Swanidhi scheme. So it will be done across 223 cities in the country. It was run from the September 9 to November 30, 2021 to complement the efforts of lending institution in adoption of the digital transaction by the PM Swanidhi beneficiaries. So they will have the digital training. Okay, so if you see, this is the PM digital Swanidhi, maybe digital 3.0 scheme. So here like this, the people who are going to sell the products on the streets. So you can see here the UPI stickers will be distributed directly. You can pay through the UPI account only. So this is a special campaign for the digital onboarding and training. Okay, here phone pay, you can pay through Bharat Pay, Paytm, Swipe. Okay, many other options are provided. Okay, maybe digital 3.0 in as part of it, Bharat Pay, mSwipe, PhonePe, Paytm, Akiware participated in maybe digital 3 drive to issue UPI IDs, QR code and provide digital training. Okay, these digital payments aggregators were given job to handhold the street vendors to bring out enhanced adoption of digital transaction and the behavior change. So as they are in the society where their behavior change is needed in order to adopt this digital transaction, so these digital payment aggregators are given the job to change their behavior. Okay, in fact, to promote the digital transaction, instruction has been issued to the lending institutions also to hand over a durable QR code within a week of the PM Swanidhi disbursement. So they will be handed over with the QR code. So these stickers will be provided to them. So this work is given to the lending institutions. So if you say the progress for PM Swanidhi, 45.5 lakh applications have been received. Out of this, 24.6 lakh loans have been disbursed with the amount of 2,444 crores. More than 70,448 street vendors have repaid their first loan tranche. Out of 22.41 lakh digitally onboarded street vendors, 7.24 lakh street vendors are digitally active and have recorded 5.92 crore number of digital transactions. So if you see the behavioral change, it is very hard, right? Out of 22.41 lakh digitally onboarded street vendors, only 7.24 showed the interest to be the digitally active. Okay, so a lot more need to be done. So if you see the problems regarding the PM Swanidhi scheme, there is a lack of awareness of the scheme itself. So when the people don't know what is the scheme, they won't participate in the scheme, right? So in spite of having many campaigns, many things, there is a lack of awareness among the people. So focus should be made on making people aware about this scheme. And there are some documentation issue. As these people are the street vendors, documents verification or documentation issues is becoming a problem. And coming to the stamp paper and affidavit demands by the banks, so these kind of issues are also rising. And there is a issue of the bogus beneficiaries, so false people are getting benefited, and the disparities in the implementation across the streets. For example, if you see the data here, UP is having the highest number, okay, highest number of applications and highest number of loan disbursed, and then Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So not all the states are showing the same interest. Some are showing the more interest, some are showing the less interest. So there is a disparity in implementation across the different states. So these are the problems regarding to the PM Swanidhi scheme. So I have discussed about this maybe digital 3.0. So I hope so you have cleared with this topic. So let's meet with another session in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.